It's good evening or afternoon, whatever you want to call it. It's about 5 p.m. We are at this new project. Welcome back to the channel, by the way. We are at this new job site. We're gonna be doing a retaining wall. It's gonna be a tumbled stone with a bullnose cap. It's gonna look very beautiful. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for an update, guys. I gotta go back to another job site. The guys are gonna stay here right now and start excavating everything for me. But I'll show you guys when we get back. Show you guys the progress and everything, how everything looks so far. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna look beautiful. Check it out. Let's go. Check it out, guys. This is the second day. We just left. We got all the excavation down, the base in, the levels in. Started laying some block. I got the material in. It's in the dump. Actually, guys just left right now. It's in the dump. We also did this side, excavated it, prepped it. I was in and out all day. That's pretty much it right now, guys. I want to go see some materials. You guys can start here. I brought materials for the homeowner. So we are back at this job site. Officially day 3 on this site. Beto was here 2 days alone. I helped him in and out. Me and Chicho right now are here helping him. We just got here like an hour or two ago, something like that, like an hour ago. So we just came in to pick him up and help him a little bit. So this is the progress, guys. We got the walls in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiers up on this side. And we got our drain tile in there as well. Check it out. For the water's gonna be coming out from. We got our 12 to 15 inches of gravel behind our wall to prevent any movement or water damage to the wall. Check it out. And this side is only 1 tier, and then it goes up to 2 tiers. Still gotta do a couple of little cuts there. And then Beto's finishing up the final cut over here, which is coming along. This IQ saw works wonders. Check it out. This side is looking beautiful. We are going to be putting lighting in this project as well. The homeowner is going to be providing us with the lights. We are going to be removing some soil here, so you're going to be able to see the wall and the lights. So we got to remove some of that lump right there. No biggie. We're also going to be bringing in some river rock, which is this over here, as we presented to the homeowner. That's going to be going in for decorative. And then we're going to be putting in some plants. Beautiful plants. It's gonna look beautiful. Check it out. It's gonna complement this home very well. This wall is just beautiful. Check it out. So right now we're unloading the caps. Got those in today. We're finishing up the wall over there, and then Beto got 2 more cuts over here, but we'll probably do those tomorrow. I just wanted to get most of the wall wrapped up today, so tomorrow will be our last day working on the wall for sure. And then we'll be bringing in some plants and then the river rock. So stay tuned for an update. I know I said I was gonna, I ended up not vlogging this one because I'm in and out. I'm just helping Beto in and out, so I'm not able to control the camera as much. But here's an update for you guys, and it's coming along. Let me know what you guys think down below. It might look like we got a big mess here, but everything is okay. Everything's under control. We're actually doing the lawn installation. Check it out. The guys came in real quick. We're gonna be laying this topsoil in. We graded the lawn a little better than what it was. Gap! Gap! We graded this lawn a little better than what it already is. Check it out, guys. We're doing the lawns. We're gonna do this side first, and then the guys are over there excavating that side already, and then we're gonna jump onto this side, get this side done. And then Beto's almost done with the caps. Not that quite there yet. I have some plants with me. Homeowner wanted plants. Lighting is pretty much connected. Things are going a little smooth. It's already kind of late. I'm hoping we can get close to wrapping it up. At least the majority of it. Not 100% sure how it's gonna go. We got about 2.5 hours of daylight. We're just gonna go full throttle at it and see what we can get done. And yeah, so just wanted to update you guys. We're doing the lawn as well, you guys can see. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Check it out, guys. It's pretty late, but we got this baby done. At least the lawn part of it. The lawn. Cristobal's just over here putting in the straw. So looking good. And then Beto's over there finishing up little touches of dirt. Gaps over there putting seed with Chicho, raking it. And then we're pretty much ready for straw there. We're ready for straw here. I'm about to start helping but he put the straw, and then we'll be wrapped up for today, and then tomorrow we'll come back, finish the caps and the landscape planting and river rock that's going to be going in. But for the most part, the majority of the project is in, and it's looking beyond beautiful. Check out how it looks from over here. Came out amazing. Check it out. Can't wait for the final result, guys. Can you, Gaps? Can you wait? Yeah. Looks good though. Check it out.
I'm eating.
Really good. And we got lighting in there as well. We put lighting in. Check it out. Got lighting in this wall. Boom. Homeowner provided us with their lights. We usually install different manufacturer, but he provided us with his lights, so we just put those. He wired everything up though. But everything is looking good. The wall is looking beautiful. The guys are looking good. I know they're a little tired, but gotta put these hours in before the snow hits. So it is beautiful. All right, guys, check it out. We just got the lawn installed. We got that done last night. I don't think I recorded it, but this morning we came back. It's about a little bit afternoon. It's about 1 p.m. I think, something like that. Check it out. Just wrap this baby up. Where there is lighting in here, if you guys can remember, and I'm gonna be trying to come back later tonight to show you guys the lighting. But those curves came out really beautiful. Great compliment to the home. We put in the river rock in there. A couple plants. Same thing on this side. We put some plants in. You guys can see the difference in the project. Looks beautiful. There is lighting, like I told you guys. This is a beautiful transformation to this property. Check it out. Seed is in, fertilizer is in, straw. Now it just needs water. Check it out from this angle. You can see more of the detail. Check it out. Boom. It came out very beautiful, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys like this project, check it out. And our drain is right here. So the water comes out from there, from the back. If it ever gets to that point, it'll drain out. We also did the two sides back here. But check it out. I just got some pictures, and then we're gonna be heading out right now onto the next job site. Guys, check it out. I actually came to see the property that we did. Check out the lighting. It's actually really late at night. It's like 11 p.m. I accidentally forgot that I was gonna come later today, but I came right now just because I don't know if I'm gonna come back later or not. But I let the homeowner know I was gonna stop by tonight, but not this late. But here I am. Just gonna show you guys real quick. Came out very beautiful. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures now that it's dark, and then I'll be heading out. But so I just want to show you guys how it looks at night with the lighting. Came out very beautiful. Check it out. Hopefully I don't get the cops calling me, but check it out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. Please like the video, share it if you guys need to, if you want something similar to that. And you guys think you guys are in my area. We are in Ohio, 30 minutes from Cleveland, so we work in those areas. Comment down below, and then I'll see your comment. If you live in the area, you want something similar like this, we can always give you a price. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.